Okay, this tutorial is going to show you how to use models to divide integers. The first model that we're going to look at is using a number line. Alright, so if we take a look at the first question I have for you at positive 9 divided by positive 3, what we want to do is when we look at the first number in our question is where we actually want to get to on our number line. So positive 9 is where we want to end up. And we're going to start at 0. And what we're going to do is we're taking steps of 3. Because this is positive, we're going to be walking forward. Right? And I'm going to use an arrow like this to indicate forward walking. So we're starting at 0, and we're walking 3 steps of 3. So there's 1 step of 3, 2 steps of 3, 3 steps of 3, and we're at positive 9. And that equals positive 3. That equals 3. 1, 2, 3. You can see that right there. All right? But we have to pay attention to the direction of travel. Right now, here we're walking forward. We're walking this way. All right? And this way is pointing towards the positive end of the number line. Therefore, our answer is going to be positive. So our answer is positive 3. Okay? And I'll try to model this in class with actual people walking along a number line just to show you this. This one, down, when we look down here at negative 9, this is where we want to end up with. We want to end up right here. So I got to switch it to blue. We want to end up at negative 9 because that's our first number here, negative 9. We're going in steps of 3, but the negative sign indicates we're going to walk backwards. All right? So we're starting at 0, and we're walking backwards. All right? So we're going steps of 3, steps of 3, steps of 3. This is our direction of travel right now, and we're walking backwards. So actually, when we're walking backwards, here's the direction we're facing. All right? This is the direction we're facing. And refer back to up here where we use this walking forwards. This is the direction we're facing here. So as we're walking backwards, we're facing this direction. And which area are we facing? We're facing the positive or negative side. We're facing positive, so our answer is going to be positive 1, 2, 3. Positive 3 is going to be our answer. That's how you model using integers. All right. So now let's go down to this next question where we have negative 9, okay, divided by positive 3. Well, negative 9 is where we want to go, okay, but this time, because we have a positive sign, we're going to walk forward, but we're always going to start from 0. So our direction of travel, we're going to walk forward from 0. We're going to be facing this direction. We're going to go in steps of 3. 1, 2, 3. So we're at negative 9. We've taken 3 steps. But remember, we're traveling forward. And if we're going in this direction, this is our direction of travel. So this represents the way we're going to be facing. And we look, are we facing the negative side or are we facing the positive side of the number line? We're facing the negative side. Therefore, our answer is going to be negative 3. Okay? And now, our last example is we're doing positive 9 divided by negative 3. So we're going, this is where we want to end up at that positive 9. We're starting at 0, but we're walking backwards again. All right? We have to pay attention to that because our negative sign indicates we're walking backwards. So we start at 0, and we're still taking steps of increments of 3 here. So we're going 1, 2, 3, We're at positive 9 now. But remember, we've been walking backwards, so this is the actual way we're facing, the direction we're facing. And are we facing the negative or positive side? We're facing the negative side. Therefore, our answer is negative 3. All right? I'll give you you can go on to the next tutorial, which shows using tiles.